Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling sideloading because Fire OS blocks third-party APKs by default. Go to Settings, My Fire TV, Developer Options, then enable Install Unknown Apps for Downloader. Next, open the Amazon App Store and install the Downloader app. It lets you fetch APKs directly. Make sure your Firestick is on the same Wi-Fi and signed into your Amazon account. Once done, open Downloader and allow storage permissions so you can download APK files and proceed to the installation steps. You now download the Google components in the correct sequence so dependencies install cleanly. Start with Google Account Manager, then Google Play Services, and finally the Google Play Store APK. In Downloader, paste each APK URL or use a trusted host, then run the installer and tap Install. Make sure to grant permissions when prompted. Missing a permission prevents background services from running. Once every APK finishes, reboot the Firestick to let Google Play Services initialize and register. Open the newly installed Google Play Store and sign into your Google account. This lets you download apps normally. After signing in, install a small app like Chrome or the Google app to confirm Play services are working. Make sure to accept any runtime permissions. Without them, some apps crash. If the store won't sign in or apps fail, clear Play Store and Play Services data, reinstall the APKs in the correct order, and verify you used APKs matching your Firestick's CPU architecture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.